Welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and in this video lecture we'll go ahead and learn how to generate matrix of random numbers. So let's go ahead and create from random and import random. Alright, so and let x be equal to, let's say it's going to be of 6 rows and then column. So let's make that to be row and column. So let that be co is equal to 12, and let x be equal to array of empty element, and using a for loop, go ahead and say for I in range of row, then for I in range of row, y is equal to empty element, and go ahead and say for j in range of cool. For j in range of cool, then y dot append, and go ahead and append radiant. Okay, we didn't import radiant, so this is from random import radiant and not random import radiant, and the error is gone from here. Can you see that? Now we'll go ahead and give the range. Let's say either is from 1 to 100. Alright, so we go ahead and say x dot append and append y right in there. Now we go ahead and use a for loop and say for I in x, and nested for loop for j in I. Then we go ahead and print out this. Go ahead and print percentage 3d modulus j. Go ahead and put a comma and end that. Go ahead and print. Go ahead and print that. So we go ahead and let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. So run this code, you can see an array of random numbers, and that is 6 rows, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and the column is 12, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So if you want that to be 6 by 6, go ahead and column to be equal to 6 and row equal to 6, and check it out. Go ahead and run that and check it out. Can you see that? Is a matrix of 6 by 6 of random numbers generated. So let's go ahead and close that, and the code is just ready before you. Put it down on your own system, play around with it, and in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.